Ever wondered how something as simple as breathing could have a profound impact on your health and well-being? Indeed, the ancient practice of controlled breathing known as pranayama has been enhancing lives for centuries. Pranayama, a concept deeply rooted in Indian scriptures, references the life force or prana within each breath. This practice has been adopted by yogis, renowned for their longevity, and is even incorporated into Buddhist teachings, where slow, mindful breathing is believed to extend one's lifespan. While often associated with yoga, breathing exercises are versatile and can be practiced independently. Breathing exercise simply involve to have a control on your breathing inhale and exhale methods. They come in a variety of forms, from Sudarshana Kriya Yoga to nose breathing, mouth breathing, and alternate nostril breathing. It depends on how deep you can breathe and how long the breath can be retained inside. In total, there are approximately 10 recognized techniques designed to reduce stress and promote tranquility. Yogic breathing, defined as a manipulation of breath movement, has been shown to positively affect immune function, autonomic nervous system imbalances, and psychological or stress-related disorders. Drawing inspiration from nature, consider the tortoise and the whale. These creatures breathe a mere 3 to 5 times per minute and boast lifespans of 150 to 200 years. Compare this to human beings who typically breathe 6 to 16 times per minute and live between 80 to 100 years. Buddha emphasized on Anapana breathing method. Sri Brahmarshi Subhas Patri of Pirami Spiritual Movement of India emphasizes the importance of observing one's breath. This practice cultivates a sense of mindfulness and concentration, deepening meditation experiences. The Indian government recognized the importance of these practices, declaring June 21st as Yoga Day. This celebration of mindful movement and breathwork has since been embraced globally. Several programs of yoga practice are conducting all over the globe. The practice of mindful breathing is best performed in a serene environment. Comfort is key, so find a posture that allows for relaxation and ease. Nowadays, so many software applications have come for making breathing exercises. Through our breath, we can change our state from stress to relaxation, or from feeling dull to being energized. Centuries ago, sage Patanjali introduced the world to the Yoga Sutras. These ancient teachings, including the practice of pranayama, are now globally recognized for their ability to enhance physical health and mental well-being. In yoga, the breath is considered not only the path of spiritual development, but also as a simple way of staying in good health. So, explore the world of controlled breathing. Choose a technique that resonates with you and raise your spirits. Embrace a positive mind and good health through the simplicity of breath. There are many yogic and meditation centers around you. Walk into these centers and start and practice the mindful meditation. Embark on this journey of mindful breathing and may you enjoy a long, fulfilling life. Breath is always with you. Embrace it and enjoy it. Wishing you all the best in your practice, this is Dr. P. Sri Ram from Visakhapatnam, signing off.